Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be talking about manual dexterity. I'm going to just go through what manual dexterity is and why dentists need manual dexterity, and then I'll be giving you a few examples of manual dexterity that you can use in your personal statement or in your interviews. In a nutshell, manual dexterity is the ability to use your hands in a skillful way. So why do dentists need manual dexterity? Well, obviously you know that dentists need to work on a really small scale because they're working in the mouth, and they need to work with precision because they're not just working in a small hole, they're working on a person who has the ability to close their mouth, who has a lot of saliva, who has feelings and fears. So a dentist has to have amazing manual dexterity to be able to make a patient feel comfortable and safe and carry out any treatments that need to be carried out in the best way possible. And obviously there's an aspect of holding up the integrity of the profession, so you can't have dentists that don't know how to use their hands with skill, because obviously then the whole profession would be discredited and no one would trust dentists, and well, dentistry wouldn't really be a thing. When you're writing your personal statement or you're at your interview, it is really hard to stand up from other people, and you can say that everyone has a certain degree of manual dexterity, but what makes you different to the rest is how you talk about your manual dexterity skills, why you enjoy those skills and why they show that you are committed and talented and passionate. You need to really go into what made you pursue those skills in the first place and what excites you about having these skills and how they've helped you in life in general and how they are going to help you in your career in dentistry. I just want to say thank you to everyone who helped me make this video. I'll link their pages down below. They're very talented people, so please check the pages out as well. If you have any other examples of manual dexterity that I haven't mentioned, please comment them below. I know a lot of people will find them helpful, and any constructive criticism is appreciated as always. So without further ado, here are some examples of how to show manual dexterity.